If someone tells you AI is taking all the IT jobs, tell them this. AI is replacing procrastinators, not IT engineers. Look around you. Do you see anyone reading a newspaper? Using yellow pages to buy something? Or unfolding a paper map to find a destination? What I see is everyone's too busy buying the latest smartphone with built-in AI. And the same people are scared about AI replacing IT jobs. Think about it for a moment. We are not going back to the Stone Age. We are going deeper into technology. Babies today learn to hold a smartphone before a feeding bottle. So no, AI isn't replacing IT. It's replacing laziness. If you check job openings right now, you'll see it yourself. The IT industry is not slowing down, not at all. But here's the truth. Companies are done hiring people who only memorize theory. They're hiring doers, people who can build, configure, troubleshoot, and automate. And they're paying top salaries for them. Do you know why CCNA today includes automation? It's because it's your biggest opportunity. Learn it, apply it, then watch companies chase you. Employers are more selective, but they also pay much more than ever. And they don't want procrastinators. They want performers. I've been saying this for years, and now it's undeniable. If you don't take action, your profile will be outdated tomorrow. So, what should you focus on? Number 1, networking. CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, enterprise. Internet is the backbone of everything, including cloud and AI. Cloud from zero to AWS networking specialty. Linux from beginner to Red Hat expert. Security from zero to CCIE security. This is not time for popcorn learning. It's time for hands-on labs, for real projects, for taking action. Because AI won't replace IT engineers, but will replace those who never became one.